Live from the Fastener TV studio, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thanks, Chris. Hello, I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Welcome to the second episode of In the News. Here's what's happening in the fastener industry the week of August 2nd, 2021. In Fastener Expo news, registration is open for the 2021 International Fastener Expo in Las Vegas. Use FND discount code FAS25FND and save $25 off your registration fee. This week's events include, on August 5th, the Southwest Fastener Association's Happy Hour in Houston. Get more info at southwesternfastener.org. And on August 6th is a live webinar, Blind Rivets, Week 7 of Fastener Basics Like Never Before series by the Fastener Training Institute. Get more info at fastenertraining.org. Coming up the week of August 16th to the 20th, we have the Midwest Fastener Association's 75th anniversary celebration, Tabletop Show, golf outing, and more. Are you registered for Fastener Week? Go to MWFA.net to get more info about the week's events and get registered. Also, August 16th to the 20th is Fastener Training Week Chicago, an accelerated training for the Fastener Training Institute's Certified Fastener Specialist designation. Learn more and register at fastenertraining.org. And in some big international Fastener Expo news, Mack-Brooks Exhibitions announced today the postponement of Fastener Fair Stuttgart due to ongoing pandemic and following conversations with their exhibitors and partners over the past weeks and months. The event has been rescheduled for the 21st to 23rd of March of 2023. And in 3D printing news, Worth Additive Group has announced a global agreement with Markforged. This agreement brings the digital forges combine precise and reliable 3D printing hardware and cloud-based learning software, along with its wide portfolio of 3D printing materials such as metals, composites, and continuous fiber to the Worth Additive Group product offering. Also this week is the Worth 3D Demo Days Tour. They'll be stopping in at Atlanta, Georgia on August 3rd and Orlando, Florida on August 5th. The June seasonally adjusted Fastener Distributors Index moderated slightly but remained solidly in expansionary territory. Be on the lookout for Fastener Clearinghouse's Fastener Distributors Index July report due any time now. Also released today was the Institute for Supply Management's July Manufacturing PMI, which registered at 59.5, a decrease of 1.1 percentage points. This figure indicates expansion in the overall economy for the 14th month in a row. And in manufacturing news, this year's Manufacturing Day is October 1st, as manufacturers seek to fill 4.6 million high-skill, high-tech, and high-paying jobs over the next decade. Manufacturing Day empowers manufacturers to come together to address their collective challenges so they can help their communities and future generations thrive. This year, Manufacturing Day also includes a strong emphasis on engaging digitally and through virtual events that will happen throughout the country. Start planning your event today and share on social media with hashtags Creators Wanted, and hashtag Manufacturing Day 21. Visit creatorswanted.org to learn more info and find new tools to inspire more creators. This week's episode of In the News was sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Product Genius Technology makes buying products easier. Check out the Fastener Industry Digital Landscape 2021 report at productgeniustechnology.com. And that's it from In the News this week. If you'd like to sponsor the next episode of In the News, contact us at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thank you and be well.